Ellie. Gorgeous. Pretty. Pretty. Gorgeous. That's your breakfast. The egg. No.
You don't feed the doggies. No, no. Good job. No.
Ellie.
Ellie, Ellie, Ellie. Ellie, Ellie.
Get down, Ellie. You're still bad.
What'd she do?
Ran away last night.
Oh, you went to the neighbor's yard last night again. Did you move the cooler I put there?
She did, and then she got stuck because they moved it back. Sit
What
down.
do you mean they moved it back?
Like one of the dogs pushed it back.
Bad dog, Ellie. Bad dog, Ellie. Bad dog.
You want some chocolate milk?
At least Ty weighs as much as you now, fatty
Very
Ellie.
much. Take a drink.
That good? That good?
Look at his face.